Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Korean filter using Lightroom mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Contrast to -100. Highlights to -16. Shadows to 48. Whites to 62. And blacks to -7. Next, go to color. Temperature to 2. Tint to -16. Vibrance to 68. And saturation to 2. Next, go to color mix. For red, hue to 3. And luminance to -49. For orange, hue to -11. Saturation to 6. And luminance to 4. For yellow, hue to -25. Saturation to -31. And luminance to -15. For green, hue to 30. Saturation to -35. And luminance to 80. For aqua, luminance to -25. For blue, hue to 26. Saturation to -25. And luminance to -8. For purple, luminance to -5. For pink, luminance to -18. And last, go to detail. Color noise reduction to 40. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.